Good evening, watchers. You're observing Aswama News with me, Melanie. As of late, national discussion have been overwhelmed by the proposed corrections to the Criminal Strategy Code, known as the RUU KUHP. The draft has started strongly wrangle about both online and offline, with concerns approximately straightforwardness, lawful, reasonable, and its potential effect on gracious liberties. Over the past few days, understudies, activists, legitimate spectators, and ordinary citizens have voiced distinctive supposition. Community gathering and campus dialogues have moreover developed as individuals attempt to translate the draft and get its suggestions. Supporters accept the revisions will modernize law authorization, whereas few defenders stress almost debilitates procedural safeguard. Investigation the issue from a youth point of view. Our field questioner Adinda is talking with her companion Andrews, understudy who keeps up with political development. Good evening, Adinda and Andrews.
Good evening, Melanie.
Adinda, it would be ideal if you go ahead.
Thank you, Melanie. Andrews, the public's responses to this proposed revision has been sufficiently solid. Why do you think a legitimate amendment like the RUU can make such a good response?
People care a parcel around this science. Procedural laws influence everybody. These rules decide how captures, examinations, and trials are carried out. When the government proposes extending certain specialists or altering procedural assurances, the open instantly stresses approximately potential misuse. Another figure is that numerous feel the prepare was presented as well of a sudden. When a major lawful alter shows up without clear clarifications of or a sufficient open dialogue, double develops directly, rapidly, particularly with past encounters, including disputable lawful reforms.
Major concern online is that the draft might debilitate legitimate securities for conventional citizens. How exact do you think that there is?
It really depends on how the wording is translated. A few parts of the draft utilize unclear dialect that seem be connected broadly and equivocal. Lawful terms can lead to conflicting enforcement. Issues like expanded detention periods or change in oversight instrument have raised questions. Without point-by-point open clarifications, individuals accept negative results. Indeed, if the majority behind the draft are agreed, as it drafting efficiently, effectively makes big corruption and distrust.
Social media has gotten to be a battleground of while individuals back the church. A captive it modernized law requirement. Others think it undermines respect for freedoms. What components do you see behind these differing views?
Social media normally increases the most extraordinary positions. Supporters center on proficiency and closing holes in the current framework. Accepting the revisions seems remain investigations. Critics be that as it may stress that expanding specialists without fortifying responsibility makes awareness. Indonesia has a long history of pressure between law requirement and open belief. So indeed, little change are seen through that broader setting. The wrongless and about reflect more profound concerns, almost reasonable. It's straightforwardness and whether change really serve the people.
If open doors is now, what ought to police demands do next?
They require to communicate more clearly. A draft law shouldn't feel like something uncovered out of place. Open hearings, master meetings, and clearer clarifications will over resistance increase uncertainty. Policymakers to require to appear readiness to change articles that raise concern. In a solid popular government, feedback is a set, not a risk. Change to principle legitimate strategies ought to be cautious, comprehensive, and searching the dangerous long-term problems.
Thank you, Andrews, for sharing your perspective.
Glad to contribute.
That was our discourse with Adinda and Andrews with respect to the continuous talk about around the RUU KUHP revisions. This serves as an update that open arrangement is not for printed material. It impacts genuine lives, remaining education and talking participatively in dialogues is essential. We will process it, bringing upgrades as these story creates. Remain with us on Oswama News. Bye bye. Thank you.